Hey guys, it's Shannon. I'm so excited about this. We have been transforming our bedroom into one that is decorated for the holidays, and I'm so excited about having a Christmas tree in our bedroom. As an adult, I just have never put a Christmas tree in the bedroom, and I always did as a kid. And I remember when we got a new tree at one point, my parents gave us, me and my sister, the old tree, and we put that in either my bedroom or in her bedroom, and we decorate it together, make ornaments for it. And it was sort of one of those fun traditions as a kid that I remember. And even my own kids now, they each have Christmas trees in their bedrooms as well, so we've kept with that tradition with them. And I'm not sure why as an adult it never dawned on me to put a Christmas tree in our bedroom until now. So with the help of Kirkland's, we now have a Winter Wonderland themed Christmas tree in the bedroom. So I thought I would take you guys along so you can see how I set up the tree and how it was all decorated. And then I'll give you a look at it at the end. Also, make sure you subscribe because the whole entire bedroom is getting a makeover for Christmas, and I will be including that look in the Christmas holiday home tour that'll be coming up at the end of the month, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. Today I'm going to show you the Christmas tree, so let's get started. I started with a 6-foot tall pre-lit flocked Christmas tree. It was a little bit short for the space, so I put it on top of a bucket to add some height. I just adore the look of snowy white flocked Christmas trees, and with a few additions from Kirkland's Winter Wonderland collection, they really brought this tree to life. This beautiful faux fur tree skirt from Kirkland's was the perfect accessory to put at the bottom of the tree. It's so soft and plush. These great oversized snowflake ornaments were also flocked, so I knew they would be the perfect touch for the tree branches. I fell in love with this beautiful tree topper the instant I saw it. It's a beautiful rattan deer head with a gorgeous evergreen and pine cone crown, and I knew it would be the piece that just pulled this whole look together. The first thing I did to start decorating the tree was to add the snowflakes to the branches. I had 6 of these ornaments in total, and it was the perfect amount for this size of tree. Because these ornaments were so large, I would sort of separate the branches around the space where I would want the ornament to go, so it sort of was framed by the branches and had a nice hole to sit in. I placed the snowflakes on the tree in sort of a zigzag pattern, and that creates a nice visual interest. Next, to fill in the holes and the gaps in the tree, I added some simple white glass Christmas balls and sort of just added them here and there between the snowflakes. This is such a simple and easy way to decorate your Christmas tree, and although it's not a lot of muss and fuss, it has a beautiful, simple elegance to it. Once all of the ornaments were in their place, I simply added the deer head right on top of the Christmas tree. I sort of pushed some of the branches inside, which also added some of the lights in there, so it gave it a beautiful, nice glow. And last but not least, I added that beautiful faux fur tree skirt to the bottom. And since this bedroom Christmas tree won't have presents underneath it, I still wanted something to accessorize underneath the Christmas tree, so I added a thrifted basket, my tartan blanket, as well as some skis that came from my Christmas stash. Here is the Christmas tree look all put together. Even though this is such a simple tree, it has such a beautiful elegance to it, as well as a very romantic look, and I just couldn't love it more. Kirkland's also has lots more great items in their Winter Wonderland collection, but they also have 2 other holiday collections in store, both all through the house, and their Very Merry collection, so you're sure to find something that fits your decor style. If you aren't already, you can find me on both Facebook and Instagram and follow me there. And you can also shop my online store and Etsy shop at crossingmyheart.com. Do you decorate your bedroom for the holidays? And do you add a Christmas tree to your room as well? Let me know down in the comments below. So again, thank you so much to Kirkland's for helping bring our Christmas tree to life and giving our bedroom that extra special Christmas touch. I hope this video inspired you. Make sure to give it a thumbs up for me. You can share this with your friends and family and inspire them as well. Make sure you subscribe because like I said, I will have that Christmas home tour coming up and you don't want to miss that. You can hit the bell so that you get notified when my videos do go live. And happy holidays, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.